Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today inshallah I'm going to make this video about explaining the sets because some of the class 7 students, grade 7, still having trouble understanding the sets and especially the symbols, because they are just having so little time in interaction of online session like this. Okay, so basically, what we are going to discuss is focusing with union, intersection, and subset, and also the proper subset because element, not element, and empty. Alhamdulillah, the majority of you has already understood it completely. Okay, so union and intersection is basically a combination. You can say union is a combination, while intersection is a similarity. It's a similarity between the two sets that we are talking about. So I have this one. Yeah, I have this one. This is R. Okay, this is R. The set of days beginning with T. We can list it. It is Tuesday and Thursday. All right, we have two members there. And then I have H. H, the clue is, okay, the first 3 days of the week. So whenever I want to list it, we list it. It is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right, so the R union H. Remember, this is read R union H. A combination of R and H combined together. So we copy all of the members Tuesday and Thursday from the R, okay, combined together with the members of H, which is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay, and we can't put any duplicate number. Okay, so any duplicate member, okay, whether it is word or number. So if we have two Tuesdays here, okay, you can only put one word in that, one member. Okay, just delete the duplicate one. So this is the combination: Thursday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. About the order, it is up to you. You can put Monday first, Tuesday second, Wednesday third, and Thursday to the fourth. It is much better in order. Okay, it is much better. Okay, the second one is intersection. Intersection symbolized with the upside down U. Yeah, upside down U. This is the counter. I mean the counter of union. Kebalikannya dari penggabungan. Alright. We list only the similarity. We list only the similarity of the set, which is Tuesday, because all of them has Tuesday. Okay, all of them has Tuesday. Okay, I hope that you understand the union and intersection. For element, inshallah, you have already understood about it and you have done the workbook, so I'm going to skip it. Okay. Part of the union and intersection also is actually a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is a comparison between the two sets, just like before, R and P, that we are discussing about. But this time, I have a set of traits which whales and fish is being compared. Then we have to find the difference and the similarity. The difference will be in outside of the middle. It is still in the circle of whales, which is the characteristic of whales that fish does not have. And the fish one also has some characteristics in which whales does not have. Right? But both of them have something in common, something similar, which they are able to swim. Both of them, they live in water and they have fins. So this is what we call as the similarity or intersection. This is intersection of the two sets. That's what we're talking about. About the union, what's about it? The union is just combination of them all. You can basically write every traits that they have all together. That's the union. Okay, so this is what we call as union. I can easily give you another example of this one. Union and intersection. I have A having a member of 2, 5, and 7, while B 1, 2, 5, 8. Remember, this is Yani try just be like that. It is in the question. Okay, in the question it is like that. A intersects B. This is what we call. Okay, so we find the similarity between A and B, which is only 2 and 5. 2 and 5. The other member is difference. And then we have A union B. A union B is basically a combination of them all. A combination of them all. And you can put the 2 here after the 1. Doesn't matter to make it in order. Okay? This is the correct proper writing. Alright? 1, 2, 5, 7, and 8. This is A union B. While A intersects B is 2 and 5. I hope that you understand about it, okay? This is union and intersection. Fine, then we are going to continue about set subset. Okay. When we are talking about subset, just think that this is actually a part of the set. A part of the set. Okay? Whenever we compare the two sets, yeah, having this different name, for example, I give you some explanation in this. Yani, if we compare one set to the other set, let's say A subset Z, is it true or false? The answer is false. Why? Because if I say that 5A here having 1, 2, 3, 4 members, while Z here having only 1 and 2. Although they have the similarity, they have intersection, okay, but A cannot be said that this is a subset of Z. Yeah, because it is bigger. The A is bigger than Z. So this is false. This statement is false. What about if we reverse it? Kalau kita balik, what about it? The Z here is a subset of A. Okay, this is true. This is true. How so? Kenapa? It's because 5 and 11 is actually a member of the set itself. It's actually a member of the set itself. Okay, so it is true. And that's what it makes, and that's why, yeah, it will become the subset. Okay, 1 second. It seems that the camera here is gone. Okay, there we are. Next one. Y is a subset of A. Let's prove it. Okay. We compare the Y and the A. 11, 16, and 7. Compare with this one. Although they have similarity, remember, although they have similarity, and although also this is smaller, but we have 7 here. We have 7, which is not in the member of the A. Okay, so this is false. Okay, if I change the equation like this, 11 and 16, for example, the Y becoming only 16, then only then this is true, because all of the member is actually a part of the A, of the subset of the set A. Okay, yeah, so this is how we try to find the difference. And Z compared to Y is actually the same. Yeah, this is false because Z has 5 in it, while Y do not has 11. Only has 11 and 16. Okay, the 7 here is actually our example just this morning. Okay, suppose that it has 5. Then it is true. Okay, then this is true. Okay, so inshallah you have to understand about it, and this is how we try to solve the subset. Continue on, carry on. This is false. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, how to count the number of subset is basically pretty easy. We have a pretty distinct formula, which is number of subset. It is, let me copy paste this, 2 power n, alright, small n. Halas, 2 power n. This is subset. If proper subset, then we minus 1. Okay, what is n? N is actually this one, number of member. Number of member is just, you just count the member, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. If I carry on 25, 24, 28, alright, which is bigger, 32, okay, so the n will becomes bigger and bigger. We can count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so this is becoming 5, the number of subset. I mean the member of the set itself. Okay, now back to our original question. It is 11 and 20. How to count how many subset that we can make of this particular set? Yeah, this is, you just need to put the n, the number n here into the formula, which is 2 square. 2 square is actually 2 times 2, right? 2 times 2. So it's basically 4. Okay, so it's basically 4. And then if we list, yeah, if we try to list, is it true that the set of A only has 4 subset? Okay, is it true? So let us try to make a new set which is a part of that set. Kita buat himpunan baru yang merupakan bagian, is a part of that particular set. So because this is 11 and 20, I put 11 here, 20 here, okay? And then empty set is also a part of the subset, termasuk bagian dari subset. So this count, yeah, 11, 20, and then the 0 one, okay, the empty. And then number 4 here is actually the precise, exactly identical set, 11 and 20. So this is what we call as a subset. And this is 4, yeah, proven 4. Okay, last identification, last symbol of today's discussion is actually the proper subset. Okay, the proper subset is symbolized with C, yeah, which is a longer line, which has a longer line. Yeah, this is C, but it does not have an underline that will make it compared to similar with the equal sign. Jadi hampir sama dengan tanda sama dengan yang di bawah ini. Okay, so the difference between proper subset and subset, normal subset, is actually it does not count the similar subset. Yeah, it does not count. So we have the formula here. It is 2 power n minus 1, while n here is 3. So 2 power 3, yeah, 2 times 2 times 2, it becomes 8, right? Minus 1, it will become 7. Where does this minus 1 comes from? The minus 1 comes from the same and identical set that is exclusively to the subset and not proper subset. Okay, I hope that inshallah explains your questions, yeah, explains your curiosity about the symbols of sets, and I hope that this video will help you to understand our chapter, which is sets that we are talking about in the past 2 weeks. Okay, we end our learning session today by dua of kafaratul majlis. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Syukran, jazakumullah khairan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.